What if I tell you you can reach thousands of people in US, Canada, Australia and other tier 1 countries without running ads or boost your post? So in today's video, I'm going to show you the strategy on how you can reach the tier 1 audience. And one thing you need to understand is if your content is being pushed to tier 1 country, there is every tendency for you to have high earnings. Realize that many years ago, the tier 3 countries such as Nigeria, Ghana and every other countries do earn a lot. But since Facebook started monetizing tier 3 countries like Nigeria, Ghana and other countries, the revenue has really dropped. Because of that, in today's video, I'm going to show you this best strategy for you to push your content to tier 1 countries so that your earnings can increase. One thing you need to understand is this: the economy of tier 1 countries are very stable, and any ads coming from there will allow you to earn more than tier 3 country. So let's dive in. Before we move straight to the strategies, don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel so that when I post more videos, you will be the first to see it. Number one strategy is to create your Facebook page. And if you don't know how to create your Facebook page, I have posted a video on how to create your Facebook page, and the link is up there where you can click and watch and know how to create your Facebook page. Strategy number 2 is following content creators on tier 1 countries such as US, Canada. You follow the content creators on your niche, so that when they post their videos, you can also like their videos, you can also comment on their posts. The reason is this: you are training the algorithm to also favor you when you start posting on your page. Strategy number 3 is to use tier 1 countries hashtags, maybe US Reels, Canada's Reels, Australia Reels. When you post using those hashtags, there's every tendency that your videos will be shown to those countries. Strategy number 4 is to post your content on their time zone. Here in Nigeria, we are 6 hours ahead of US. So whatever you are posting, post it at their time zone. And strategy number 5, you need to restrict your videos to tier 1 country. And you may ask this question: how can I do that? Stay cool, because I will teach you on how to set it up. And at the end of the day, your content will be shown only to tier 1 country. So if you are ready, let's go. Now welcome to the other side of the video. So all you have to do is to go to your settings on your page, then you scroll down, and once you scroll down, you will see country restrictions. So you click on the country restriction. So when you click on the country restriction, you will see restriction type: hide from certain countries and show only to some certain countries. So you just click on show to certain countries. So once you do that, you come back. Then you start adding your countries that you want your contents to be shown to only, like these tier 1 countries like United Kingdom, Canada, United States of America, France. You just be putting those countries you want your videos to be shown to. But remember that your content needs to be appealing to other countries. Before you start restricting your videos to be shown to tier 1 country, okay, put it at the back of your mind that your content should also be appealing to them. They should also enjoy watching your videos. If not, they will just scroll past. The moment you start getting views from these countries that I am adding now, before you know, you start making serious money. This is how I've scaled my earnings. So you start adding them until you finish adding. So as you can see, I'm adding countries that I want to add. So you can just search for tier 1 countries and add them. You see? So once it's restricted, these are the countries that the content will be showing to only. So that is how it works. The moment you are done imputing the name, then you click back and return back to restriction. You will see show countries. So then you move back, and when you start posting, your videos will be shown to those countries that you have restricted it to show to. Now you know how to target US, Canada, Australia and other tier 1 countries. If you know that this video has been helpful to you, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel so that when I post the next video, you will be the first person to see my video. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.